I'm excited to share with you one of my favorite tools in the Simplify Your Socials platform, and that is our Custom AI Caption Generator. So here I am at my dashboard, and the first thing you want to do is we're going to go ahead and go into one of these collections and grab an image and any notes and Instagram handles that we have. So let's go ahead and go into this first album here. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to our photos here and grab one of these photos, download it. Then I'm going to scroll up to the top here and just go ahead and grab those Instagram handles that are in our collection notes, and I'm going to copy those. And then let's go ahead and scroll back up to the top and go back to our dashboard. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Caption Generator here. One of the great things about this custom ChatGPT caption generator is that it is custom. It's built in with all of your brand voice, your brand information. However, you'll see this little box here, and we did add this just as a way to tell Chat to behave, because anyone that's used Chat knows that it's not always absolutely perfect. So this is just kind of letting it know, please review all of the guidelines that we've built in. Now that it's reviewed those guidelines, I'm just going to go ahead and paste in those Instagram handles that we want to include in your caption. And then I'm simply going to upload that photo that we downloaded from your content collection. And then go ahead and click submit and watch your custom caption generator do its thing. Based on your brand voice and guidelines, your custom generator is going to give you 3 different caption options. It's also going to give you 3 different calls to action if that's something you want to include in your post. If you don't, we can leave that out. These captions are ready to copy and paste into your social media platforms, or of course using our scheduling app. But a lot of times what we will like to do for our clients with their captions is we'll kind of copy and paste different sections from different captions. So maybe you like one section from one caption, but then you like another section from another caption. You can actually combine those together. So let me go ahead and scroll down and show you the other elements that are included in your caption generator. So we've got your URL. So that's going to be helpful when you're posting to Facebook or LinkedIn or Pinterest, somewhere where there's a clickable link. We've also got all of your Instagram handles that we put in there before. All of your hashtags are going to be pre-programmed. Your Pinterest title, alt text, file name, and even a clean IG list, so you can easily copy and paste that again into either your social platforms or into your scheduling app. And quick tip, if you happen to like this last third caption that it created, you can just take this whole thing from the caption to the hashtags, copy that, and it's ready to go. Next, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a caption for a carousel. And if you have a business that's not as visual, let's say like a coaching, nutrition, or a service business, I'm going to show you how to use this caption generator for those type of industries as well. But right now, just like we did with an image, I'm going to go ahead and upload files. But this time, instead of a single image, I'm just going to go ahead and upload a carousel that I created. No other prompt required. We're going to go ahead and submit that. And then just like with your single image, you're going to get some really great captions for that carousel. The final thing I'm going to do, since you're not able to upload videos, is I'm going to go ahead and give it a really quick prompt to create captions for a reel. And then just like those image posts or carousels, you're going to get all of those same caption options. So I told you I was going to show you how this works with a brand that is not necessarily so visual, a service brand. So let's go ahead and hop over to that GPT and I'll show you how that works. So here we are at that caption generator, only this time it's for a wellness brand. So just like we did with the other visual brand, we're going to go ahead and just simply give it an image, not give it any prompts, and let's see what happens. So you can see here it looks a little bit different. It's giving us some really great information, some bullet points, and some specific calls to action. And that's because this was designed specifically for that brand. When they filled out their brand information, we made sure that this GPT was performing exactly the way they want, giving it a few options for captions, one that has some more detailed tips, and then ones that were more simple and basic. And then let's do it one more time, this time with a graphic that we created about mindfulness. So we'll go ahead and plug that in. And then same thing, it's already programmed to give us kind of those tips. Or again, if we want a more simple caption, you can copy and paste and mix and match the captions. But you can see how this caption generator is just going to save you so much time, already pre-programmed with all of your brand information. And again, it's one of the reasons that it's one of my absolute favorite tools in the system.